guys, it's Alia and welcome to Cozy Corner Crafts. Today we are going back to winter. Today we have a craft bag that you can actually see into this time because it's too big for the regular ones. We are going to be making a polar bear. So, what you will get in your bag is you will get a nice paper plate. You will get 2 big googly eyes. You will get a fuzzy nose. You will get 2 ears. Now the thing that we didn't put in there that you will have to have at home is some kind of glue. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take my glue, I'm going to take my plate, and I'm going to put the glue all over my plate where I want my googly eyes. I have a glue stick, so I'm going to put lots and lots of glue. If you have white glue, you can probably get away with a little less. So now I'm going to stick my googly eyes on there. And we have the first part of our polar bear done. Next thing he's going to need is a nose. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to put my glue all over where I want the nose to be. And I'm going to stick my nose on there. Oh, that nose isn't quite at the center. There he is. And the last thing he needs is some ears. So I'm going to turn it around and I'm going to put my glue all over the back where I want my ears to be. So here's one ear. Oops, see, I need even more glue there. Here's one ear. And here is the other ear. Whoop. So now I got to be really gentle with it while I wait for it to dry, right? So I'll be right back. I have to go get a marker to give him a mouth. I'll be right back. And now I have some markers. So I'm gonna give my bear a nice smile here. And maybe I'll give him a little pink tongue. And there you have it, a polar bear for winter. So thank you for listening. You can pick up, if you haven't picked up your craft kit yet, I will put the link in the description, but you can pick up your craft kit with all of this stuff at Morinville Library in the back parking lot there. And please do send us some pictures if you make it. We'll see you next week. Bye for now.